Hello, in today's video I'm going to demonstrate how to use the view tools to help navigate the 3D model environment in different ways. The first navigating device we are going to demonstrate is the view cube. We can find it at the upper right corner of the graphic window by default, and it is partially transparent when inactive. As we can see, you can turn the model to isometric view by clicking the cube corner. One can click an edge to an edge on view, or a face for an orthographic view of the model. By holding the left mouse button and dragging it, we can orbit the model. If the model has the shadow, we can see that the shadow will move with the model, giving us an idea which side is the top or bottom of the model at all times. In the view cube we find the home button when we pause the cursor over it. It brings us to a predefined view. If we right-click over it, we get a drop-down menu with different options. For example, let's get the model in front view. Right-click the home button and select Set the current view as home. Click Fix Distance, turn it back to isometric, and when we click the home button, then it goes to front view. We can do other changes too. In this case, let's change the model to top view. Right-click and select Set the current view as and select front. As we can see, all the views change accordingly. The shadow will change to be adjacent to the new bottom view. Let's change all back, the top view and the home view. Another view tool is the steering wheel. The steering wheel is not on by default, so, on the ribbon, View tab, Navigate panel, click on the full navigation wheel icon. This tool is very convenient, thus, it follows the cursor, giving you quick access to commands. If you decide to use it, but find it a little obstructing, you can always use some of these minimized options. Let's go back to the full-size steering wheel. The most relevant advantage of the steering wheel is that the commands are only active when you click on them and hold. Once you let go, it is deactivated, sparing you for extra motions like pressing Escape key to end the command. In this case, we hold Zoom. While holding, dragging the cursor up and down zooms in and out the model. Let's try other commands like Orbit. And Pan, always holding and releasing to deactivate. Another command on the wheel is Rewind. It will invoke a list of selectable previous views. Once on top of the desired view, release, and the model stays in that previous view. Another command on the wheel is Center. Click and hold, select a point. Once the center is selected, it will be the center focus for zooming, and in this case for orbiting. With the command up and down, one changes the camera view up and down respectively. Another command on the wheel is the walk. While pressing and holding this command and moving the mouse forward, we can get the camera inside the model, in this case the right bore for the bearing. If we press and hold look, we can actually look around from the point where we are. To get rid of the steering wheel, press Escape or just click on the icon on top of the navigation bar. This icon will work to invoke it too. The navigation bar is another place where we can activate viewing commands. One just has to select it on the bar, go to a place on the graphic window and hold and drag accordingly. This command will continue active until pressing Escape key. To demonstrate it, we click on Pan. Press Escape. Click on Zoom. Dragging up and down and Escape. Orbit. Press Escape. When you select the Look At command, and select a face on the model, it will make this face parallel to the screen. Another way to navigate around, it is using the mouse wheel, which it is one of my favorites. If you hold down the wheel, you can pan your model, and if you scroll the wheel forward or backwards, you can zoom out and in, respectively. This is an introductory video to get you acquainted with navigating commands of Autodesk Inventor. Working with the program, investigating new ways to do a task and consulting the software help, will develop further your skills. Thanks for watching. I hope you found this video instructive. If you like this video, make sure to subscribe for more.